Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to fix any kind of auto brightness issue on Honor 200 Smart. Let's begin. We can start with expanding the control center, right here at the top. Oh, as you can see, we have very high volume. Anyway, we have right next to the volume brightness bar. We can increase it to increase the brightness or decrease it to decrease it. Now, if you want to switch the automatic brightness on, all you have to do is simply click the little sun icon, and now a little A letter appears. This means that automatic brightness is now enabled. In order to disable it, you can press it again. If for some reason you can't do that, we can always go to the settings. In the settings, we can go to display and brightness, and here we also have automatic option, which we can manually click in order to enable this function or disable it, if this is what we're going for. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.